Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the keyboard type and warranty, because that determines repair options. Next, plug the keyboard into a different USB port and a second computer to isolate host issues. Once done, visually inspect the cable and connector for obvious damage: frays, exposed wires, bent pins, or crushed insulation. If you see minor bends, straighten pins gently. If insulation is broken, power down immediately to avoid shorts. These steps narrow the problem before opening or splicing. Now you open the keyboard and examine the internal wiring and strain relief where most failures occur. Use a multimeter in continuity mode and perform a steady wiggle test from connector to PCB to find intermittent breaks. Once you detect a fault, trace the wire path and inspect solder joints and flex cables. Make sure to check the ground and data lines separately. Mark the exact spot with tape so you can focus repairs instead of guessing. Proper diagnosis prevents damaging the PCB later. For the repair, cut out the damaged section and strip a small amount, then tin wires and solder clean joints. Use minimal heat to avoid lifting PCB pads. Once soldered, insulate with heat shrink tubing or electrical tape and recreate strain relief using epoxy or a cable clamp so the joint doesn't flex. Reassemble and test continuity, then plug in and run a full key response check. If keys fail or intermittent behavior persists, recheck solder joints and replace the connector or cable assembly as the final.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.